Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss the latest trends and technologies in the business world. In today's episode, we're going to compare two popular cloud storage services, Dropbox and OneDrive. So, if you're looking for the best cloud storage solution for your business, keep watching. Let's start with pricing. Dropbox offers various plans, including the free plan with 2 GB of storage. Their professional plan for freelancers costs $16.58 per month and provides 3 TB of storage. On the other hand, OneDrive offers different plans, such as OneDrive for Business Plan 1 for $5 per month, offering 1 TB of storage, and OneDrive for Business Plan 2 with unlimited storage for $10 per month. As seen in the table, OneDrive offers more cost-effective options for businesses. Now, let's talk about Office apps integration. Dropbox seamlessly integrates with Microsoft Office Suite, Google Workspace, and third-party apps like Slack and Trello. It also offers Dropbox Paper, a collaborative workspace for real-time document editing and task assignment. OneDrive, on the other hand, is built into Microsoft's ecosystem, providing seamless integration with the Microsoft Office Suite and Microsoft Teams for real-time collaboration. The choice between Dropbox and OneDrive for Office app integration depends on your specific needs and preferences. Both Dropbox and OneDrive offer automatic file synchronization across devices. They allow selective sync, where you can choose which files and folders to sync. They also provide version history, allowing you to restore previous file versions if needed. While there are some differences in the user interface and ease of use, both platforms offer similar file synchronization functionality. When it comes to file sharing, both Dropbox and OneDrive offer identical functionality. You can share files through links, invite collaborators, and create shared folders for collaborative work. Both platforms allow setting permissions and expiration dates for shared links. File sharing capabilities are robust on both Dropbox and OneDrive. Now, let's talk about security. Both Dropbox and OneDrive prioritize data protection. They offer two-factor authentication, encryption for data in transit and at rest, and remote device wiping capabilities. While Dropbox uses a ES256-bit encryption, OneDrive uses BitLocker encryption. OneDrive also provides additional features like personal vault and device access policies to control access on specific devices. Both platforms comply with industry-standard security certifications, ensuring data privacy and protection. Ultimately, the choice between Dropbox and OneDrive depends on your organizational preferences and needs. Dropbox is known for its ease of use and third-party app integration, making it a great choice for those who value versatility. On the other hand, OneDrive is a cost-effective option, especially for businesses already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you in the next video.